counting how much he's getting credit, how much he's getting cash with tax and everything. So he doesn't pay tax for anything. He gets too much in credit card, then all of a sudden he's, well, the credit card machine isn't working, it's not working. So this is total bullshit. But then if they're paying the big sum and they have no other cash, then we're supposed to get the credit card. And we relied on, oh, it's starting to work all of a sudden.
Stronzo.
Tu sai una scimmia. Vuoi un banana and albero? Una banana and albero? This is a monkey. I've seen a banana and a tree and she's a scimmia.
No. Onde é que é diga? Dad.
Sì.
Vai ciao. Brutto così.